All right, this is what I've been doing. I went to the park in Oak Glen. They cut down an oak tree, and there's several oak trees, and these are some pieces I brought back. And here's a piece that I put on my lathe. It's my lathe. It's a nice big lathe. And basically, this is what I made of it today. It's about 40 inches long. It's a mallet. It's an oak mallet. I made varnished some dark lines in it. This is my first project that I completed from start to finish. These are the tools I used. I used this is a carbide tool. They have special tips on them. There's a round one. This is a pointed one. And these are about 14 or 16 inches long. And here is the square one, the cutter. And then those are the chips that I got from the wood. It was very wet oak, so it was easy to cut on the lathe. One more time, my mallet. It's pretty heavy. It's a nice strong mallet. Since we don't have guns, this is what we're going to use to ward off anybody trying to come and steal our food.